Blaze, I made you a pancake. What are you doing to it? What if I dip it in some syrup, then you will eat it? Baby. Don't be watching your big sister who has messy hair just woke up. Here, destroy.
It's another honey.
Do you like it?
I want orange juice.
Eat your pancakes and I'll give you some more orange juice, Mary Jane. Scratchy face, boy. Blaze. Hey, buddy.
He's in a turnout.
He's just waking up. Oh, mommy's coughing. Sorry. Sorry. I coughed. There we go. Are we gonna make a mess? Looks like a yes. But that's okay.
Ew. Right. Don't push.
Mary, cool it.
You started.
No, I didn't. Say hi.
Hi.
Are you going to eat your pancakes?
Yes.
Good job. That's what I'm talking about, son. You eat that pancake. I'm destroying. Probably more will get on the floor than in his mouth, but that's okay. The whole point of giving it to him is for him to have fun while he's eating. Huh. What is this?
Did we put broccoli? May I get some more?
Sure, Brittany.